In this video I'm going to show you how to use custom code. Although this is a no-code tool, we always need scripting and custom code to have more flexible ways and scalable ways to create better experiences, okay? So I might need to fetch some data from the API, I might need to do some custom actions that are only possible with scripting, and that custom code lives in the action, so it's an action type. It can be done on the scene actions or in the entity actions. And if you scroll down on the actions, you select custom code, you see that this is the custom code action, okay? So it uses a familiar way to code, okay? So it auto-completes the basic JavaScript and TypeScript types. It also tells you some errors, okay? And this is a sandboxed script that will run on the event type, okay? And with the same action conditions and that we have on other actions as well. And if you go to the documentation with some useful information here, we are blocking some DOM globals, which are necessary to prevent some issues, some security issues. But in the documentation, you can explore it more deeply. So I will just show you this console log right now. I will apply. So this custom code will run on click when I click this plane. Okay, so I'll save and preview. And I will open my DevTools just to show you. So if I click the plane, you see that the hello world logs with this custom code that we added. Okay, and if I go back to the custom code, we have some snippets. Okay, some useful snippets that you can use. And if you explore them, and you can also insert them here like this. So let's apply this, save, preview. And if I click the plane, you see that it logs the hello world and logs the entity name, which is plane 5. Okay. So we also have in the documentation, you see that we have an autocomplete class with Ciango. So if we write Ciango like this, it's a namespace that we can use some utils functions that we have. So you can access more advanced functions. Storage state, for example, you can access the variable that contains the active language, the variable that contains the active scene ID, the whole active storage JSON. Okay, so you can read this and you can also mutate this with some utils that we have. We can also instantiate the prefabs, okay, from via code. But I won't go deeper on this because we also have the MCP, the AI agent working with this. For most of the use cases, you won't need to be coding by yourself. You can use your AI agent with the MCP to create it. So for example, I like to code in TypeScript. So for example, this entity, if I hover it, it says Henny. So the name is not quite identified. And you can go here and you can do Ciango and do the type or Ciango dot entity, okay, entity. And this is the type that you are declaring as Ciango entity, okay. And this is the whole entity object that can be possible. So right now, if I do it with a dot, now it auto-completes the types, which is also useful, okay? So for example, I can log the entity type as well. So I clicked and it logs that it's a primitive plane, okay? So this is a low-level way to interact with your project. You can also use snippets to call data, for example. You just need to use your API requests and simple as that. And you can set global vars as well, which live across scenes. So, for example, if you fetch a database in the beginning of the project, you can set this as a global var, and then you can access later on other scenes or other events that information, for example. Alright, so this was a very basic introduction to the custom code. We will do more videos with more advanced use cases, but this was just an intro to the custom code action. So I hope you understood it.